Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madera County in Central California, Central Fresno County in Central California, until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clovis, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fresno, Clovis, Fancher Creek, Hurley, and Auberry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.